Hi, my name is Liam and I'm from Boostly, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how you can plan and create content to drive more direct bookings. Why listen to me? Well, so far this year, Boostly collectively has generated over £50 million worth of direct bookings for hosts just like you. And our CEO and founder has written the best-selling Amazon book on direct bookings. So hopefully you feel we're qualified to talk to you about this today. So let's dive in. How do you create content which will convert to direct bookings? Well, the one thing you need to do is to create trust between you and your future potential guest. When you consider places like Airbnb, Booking.com, and VRBO, these online travel agents create a lot of trust using things like celebrity endorsements or evoking emotional responses through adverts. Your content needs to do the same. It needs to create that trust. And unfortunately, you've got a very short time to be able to do so. You've got less than 3 seconds to hook somebody so they know that they are in the right place and what you're offering is something that they want to explore further. So how do you do this? Well, number one thing is you need to know who you're talking to. Before you can create content, you need to know who that content is for. So you need to look at who your perfect guest is, and you can do so looking at past reviews, or you can just look at the previous guests who make you the most money, the most profit, and who you prefer hosting. When you know who that is, whether or not that's couples or business travelers or people at family getaways, then once you know who you're talking to, you can begin your content plan. The first place to start with content is to really identify the pain points of that guest and to use photos and videos which can attract that guest. And there's an example on the right here. This is for people for a city break or business travelers, and is stylish apartments. And very quickly and clearly, you can see that the picture identifies a stylish apartment, and through the window there, you can see it's an urban environment. So it's not going to appeal to people who are looking for a rural break. This is very clear who it's for. The content needs to then identify those pain points. So if it is for, say, business travelers, things like convenient parking and having clear and concise, short pieces of content which really identify those pain points and that they're solved by your guest booking with you, that is a great way to have content which does so. And you can also use this for social media as well. If it is more things like families who are coming to stay and they've got young children, concentrate on safety features. If you're talking to couples looking for romantic getaways, talk about the features which will appeal to them. You know, the great views, the close by to restaurants, whatever it is that makes your hospitality offering unique and is going to appeal to your guest. Another way you can utilize content within your plan is to make sure that you utilize the reviews from previous guests. These are a great way to share on social media to build trust, or to share on your website to get more people to see that if they stay with you, they're going to have a great time just like your previous guest. SEO and blogs should feature within your content. This is good for two reasons. One, it keeps people's attention longer if they're reading through the blogs. And also for Google, they'll be scoring things like your web page, and that can help with search engine optimization if you've got relevant content to your preferred guest. As an example here, we were talking about city breaks. These 3 blogs are very much focused towards that city break guest. What tools can help you do this? So you could go to copy.ai and utilize ChatGPT. This will allow you to put in your preferred guest, and you can put in some of the features of your properties or of your hospitality offering, and this will come up with content for you to add to either your social media posts or your website. Another great app to consider is hemingwayapp.com, where you can take the content that ChatGPT has made, you can put it in here, and it'll give you a readability rating. Basically, how easy is it for your guests to read? The easier you make your content to read, the better it is for keeping their attention. So what you want to be doing is trying to get a grade of 6. The lower the number, the better, basically, the easier it is to read. And you can make changes to that copy, still saying the same thing, but so it's easier for your guests to read. And of course, if you don't want to do all of this yourself, you can reach out to things like Upwork or Fiverr.com, where you can have content made for you at a small fee. So the key takeaways from this mini training is to build trust, and it's a great way of remembering it, which is your target avatar, relevant copy, utilize those previous reviews, use search engine optimization through things like blogs, and remember there are many tools to help you. If you've enjoyed this mini training, you can find out more because Boostly gives you the tools, the tactics, the trainings, and the confidence to go out there and get more direct bookings. And we do that through giving you a website, we give you training, and also you've got a community around you. All you need to do is go to boostly.co.uk. And if you want the book, which I talked about earlier on, you can go to boostly.co.uk/book, and you can get that book from there. Any questions, feel free to email me. My email is on screen at the moment. And I hope you've enjoyed this training. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye for now.